Hi, I'm Ben, and this is my unboxing video. That's upside down. Unboxing. It's a Justice League box. I didn't got it in the mail. I got it at Walmart. But see how this is a box that you would unbox at? Because I watch a lot of unboxing videos, and now I'm gonna do an unboxing video because I think they're fun, and this looks like something you would unbox. So it's Justice League, and let's see. I got a 50 per. We appreciate your feedback. I got this, whatever it is. Oh, it's a Superman puzzle. See, it's a puzzle and Superman. And let's see. I got socks. The Flash socks. Good, cause all my socks are, well, just casual, just white casual normal socks. Now I got some socks. And what's this? What's this? Oh, it's a Batman action figure. That's so cool. I love this. Oh, that's cool. Oh, it might be just a statue, but it's still cool though. Oh, and what's this? Green Lantern. Green Lantern. Oh, oh. Green. Oh. Oh, and I got this little Wonder Woman pin. Oh yeah, Wonder Woman pin. Yeah, okay. And let's see, what's this? Okay, it's Green Lantern. I know it's that, but and it's a oh my gosh. Oh, hang on. I thought it would be a mug, but oh my gosh, I think it's a lantern of a lantern. Oh, that's so cool. Oh my. Oh, it's so cool. Isn't that cool? Okay, so I got a lantern and the puzzles and I guess that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was my first unboxing video. I hope you like it and you probably might see some new videos. Take care.